Hi folks, I'm Thomas Dawson with Dumpster Intervention Patrol, and hey, this is my son, Thomas Dawson with Dumpster Intervention Patrol. And folks, we want to talk bins and dumpsters today, trash and recycle, residential and commercial, and that's what we offer. We have a great signature service that adds value to you, your community, your family and friends. And one thing we always do at home is we talk shop. We always try to come up with ideas of what we could do to help solve problems to our communities and our families out there. And I was talking to Thomas one day and saying, you know, how can we share with you what we do and why it's so important, okay? Because we have a problem out there, viruses, bacteria, and fungus, and we have the solution for that. Well, I'm going to pass it over to Thomas a minute here, and he's going to give you an analogy that just blew my mind when he gave this to me, and I want him to share it with you as well. Thomas, go ahead.
Cleaning your bins is kind of like brushing your teeth. Not only does they look clean and smell good, minty fresh and pearly white, but it also kills the viruses, bacteria that are all over your teeth and in your mouth.
That's a great analogy, folks. Yeah. Think about that a minute. Think about the fact that we brush our teeth every day, twice a day, 3 times or more a day, right? We're getting in there and removing those bacteria that do what? Exponentially grow. And guess what, folks? That's what they do in your garbage cans too. And here's the thing, we don't see them. They're unwanted and unknown. We don't know how many. But the testing and some of the research that I've had the ability to do is that there are over 600 trillion bacteria in one bin. One of your trash bins or recycle bins that you roll out to your curb, there could be potentially over 600 trillion bacteria. 1 square inch, 411 million bacteria, folks. Again, our mouth is the same thing, exponentially, daily, hourly growing bacteria, which do what? You got bad breath? Well, wonder why your garbage smells. It's the same effect. So we want to maintain and prevent that from coming back. And we ask ourselves why we're always getting sick and passing on viruses and bacteria and all that. Well, that's the reason. So again, a great analogy, just to recap what Thomas said, is cleaning your cans is just like brushing your teeth. You got to maintain and keep it clean, keep it fresh, and keep it mean, folks. That's what we do right here at Dumpster Intervention Patrol. I'm Thomas Dawson, proud owner, and this is my amazing son, Thomas Dawson, as well, proud owner of Dumpster Intervention Patrol. So hey, give us a call, number below, look us up online, dumpsterip.com, or check out all our social medias out there. Just search for Dumpster IP and you'll find us. Take care.